Hello, this is Jonah. So let's get on with our tutorial. Now you have to do your so make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 chains. Add another one, so because you would want the fourth one, the fourth chain is 1 and 2. So now you have 2. And you have to go get under. It's either you go under through the circle, or you can choose to pierce through one of the chains, still going under the thread, and pull. Now you have to count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you pull the thread, you have to get out by 2s, 2 loops like this one. Go under, and then pull, and then count 1 and 2. So that's the first. So you have 3 now. 1, 2, 3. Under and pull again. Pull through 2 loops. Okay, that's 2. So that leaves you with 2 for the last chain for your. See, now you have this one. So let's make some more. You can either go directly with a double chain, or first make 1 chain like that. That's it, 1 chain, and then do the same thing over again. Do the same thing all over again. 1 and 2, and then pierce through this. So see all these chains here. Our mission is to create double chains all around those 8 chains that we made. So again, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pull from under, pull 2, and then go under again, and pull down 2, and you have 2 again. Okay, alright, so that's another one. Okay, that's neat. And then 1 chain to close it. Alright, and let's do it again. So how to close this circle now? So just go under again, under, to lock the circle, and pull 1 thread, and then close it. It always comes in 2s. So there you have it. Now we will start with another color. Rock and roll. I don't follow the books. I don't follow any given pattern on the book. I just follow my instincts. So I just go with the flow. That's the reason why my mandalas come out, each one with a unique color scheme and a unique pattern. No thread is wasted in the process. So there you have it. To hide the thread, so you just have to insert it later so it looks clean. I have a friend of mine, a mandala artist. Her name is Hohana, who taught me where to buy these needles. It's in Cubao. It's made of bamboo, so it looks nice. But according to Hohana, it's not practical to work on bamboo. They're easier to work with, the metal ones, and so far these are my favorite. Hohana is my inspiration in creating these mandala artworks. She's an amazing artist. She has produced awesome mandala crochet artwork that has inspired me to create some for myself. For this level, I've decided to do this pattern. I think it's not a good idea because it's too few, so I have to do it all over again. I have to backtrack a bit and add to the number of chains, so I have to do it all over again from where I started. Request mandala in earth tones as requested. There's the finished product, our mandala in earth colors, and also its mandala tail. And here are the other ones that I have made. They also come in other colors. Peepo, shut up! The mandala crochet tutorial. I hope you come up with yours soon, and let me know in the comments box. You can also like, share, and subscribe to this video for more. See you soon. Bye.